Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to be making a weight loss smoothie. It's so healthy and it's so nutritious. I'll be making use of these fruits: kiwi, avocados, and spinach, lemon, ginger, blueberry, and strawberry. All this contains antioxidants that helps you burn the excess calories and some belly fats. It is so nutritious and so healthy for everyone, not only when you're losing your weight but when you want to have a healthy living. So watch till the end and see how we make this healthy smoothie. So I've added all the ingredients into the blending jug. I added half of my lemon and added some plain yogurt and some water that will help me blend the smoothie. At this point I will cover it and blend it. So now I am done blending, and honestly I am going to test it because my jug has a second cover. I will change the cover and you will see. Honestly, when I tested this smoothie, it was so tasty, so delicious, and it contains all the nutrients that the body actually needs. Please guys, try this smoothie. You will love it. You can take it morning before eating and at night after eating. It is so healthy and you will love the taste after blending it. See you guys in our next video, and please, if you've not subscribed, consider subscribing, and bye guys.